Hey, my name's Mohammed, or aka PWC, and no, you may have not heard of me yet, not because I'm not legit, but because I haven't spent $100 million to shove my face into every social media ad. But if you trade or even think about trading, what I'm about to show you will completely change the way you look at the markets forever. I've been trading for 15 plus years. That's over 50,000 man hours in the markets. I've tested hundreds of thousands of strategies, systems, indicators, price action theories, you name it. I've dissected it, mastered it, and broken it down to the atomic level you haven't even researched yet. And what I've found is simple. Unless you follow exact rules, you are guaranteed to lose all your money. Let that sink in. I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to give you the only trading system that actually works. I've got an 8-year live profitable track record, not demo, not paper, not back tested in 1992, real trades, real time, real money. And unless you've got that kind of proof under your belt, I'm probably the only real master trader you'll ever get access to in your lifetime. So listen closely, because I'm about to show you what the future of trading looks like. Automated, AI-driven, profitable, and stupid, simple. Anyone, even your grandma, could run this system and start growing an account once they understand how it works. It comes down to just one thing: copy, trade, repeat. Step one, get on Abbado.com. Forget every other trading platform. I've used them all, and every single one bleeds your money through trading fees, spreads, commissions, monthly fees, interest charges, and hidden overnight costs. Abbado is the only platform that's built to actually help traders win. $0 fees, no overnight holding costs, no hidden charges, institution-grade execution. If you're not on Abbado, you're burning at least $10,000 a year for nothing, and that's if you're a small trader. Seriously, that's just facts. Step two, activate the super trend system. Once you're in, your next move is to load up the super trend indicator on Abbado.com. This isn't some recycled MACD crossover. We've tested this with real-time market behavior testing down to the candle, refined from decades of data and thousands of tests. The super trend system works with auto entry and exit mechanisms, smart trend filtering, and custom range bars you get for free with zero guesswork. You'll see clear buy and sell signals. No second guessing, no lagging indicators, just clean, actionable trades. This is the part where most people miss out. They hesitate. They try to figure it out on their own, but you shouldn't, because you should know what's real when you see it. You're literally one decision away from trading with real firepower. And the best part is, you don't need to be a genius to win with this. You just need to follow the system. Ready to finally trade like a pro? Go to Abbado.com, activate the super trend chart setup, and learn how to capitalize on huge trade moves across all market pairs. Let me show you a real live example here so you get it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to be entering a trade on gold, which is XAUSD. I'm going to load up the super trend chart, and then I'm going to enter a trade on gold. I'm going to enter a trade on the super trend indicator onto the Abbado chart, and here it is. Now we know it's a buy position because it's green, as you can see here. We're going to go back to the range bars and see where to enter the trade. Once this bar closes red or green, that is the activation signal for the buy trade, because the range bars and the super trend are aligned with the super trend being on green. So we're going to enter a buy. As soon as this changes color on the first green bar, we're going to enter a buy, and we're just waiting for it. You can see here it's moving in real time. And there we go. It turned green, and now we're just going to click buy with one order quantity on gold. Now we've entered the buy trade, and you can see it opened right here with this green line. And you can see right here it opened, and it's already in profit. It's jumping up like crazy, and there's the entry line right there. I'm going to place my take profit by just dragging it from here. And there we go. It's set at approximately $100. So on this trade, I'll either lose $100 or I'll make $100. Now, because of the super trend and the range bars, we have a slight edge of up to 60% to 65% of profitability. So that way it actually ends up being profitable. That is a huge positive edge when you actually get into the numbers game of doing thousands of trades a year, which goes back to why you need to be doing this properly with Abbado and nothing else, because you're going to be doing hundreds of thousands of trades, and you don't want to lose that to fees. If someone tells you they have 70% to 80% to 90% accuracy, they don't know what they're saying, because then you'd literally have trillions of dollars off a $10,000 balance very fast. So let's do it the right way the first time. Right here, when I make $100, I make $100. There's no catch. There's no hidden cost. There's no fees like other platforms where there's hidden fees and stuff. So here we go. We're watching the trade move. You can see it's jumping around, and we'll just let this play out. You can fast forward from here on 2 speed to not wait for this few minutes or however long this trade lasts. We'll see. It could go on from anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, but more than likely, it's only a few minutes. So we'll see the result of this trade soon. You can see here, there's a lot of movement in this trade. The range bars are moving. Let's actually put this side by side. So that way you can see the range bars moving with the gold minute bar moving together. There you go. You can see it moving. It shot up a little bit. It's getting close to our take profit. You can see the range bars moving on the left on gold and on the right on the minute based bars. And there we go. It's almost close. It's really close to take profit. And there we go. We just made $100. Congratulations, everyone. That's all it takes. We did this in our live account. You can see this is a live account. And there we go. We just made $109. That's a nice little lunch break snack. And we do this every day, all the time. Just repeat this over and over with consistency and discipline. That was 0.1% in my account because there's a $100,000 balance. But if this was a $10,000 balance, that would have been 1.09% growth. And that's really good. That is a very good gain. So $100 profit. Congratulations. That's all it takes. This is all you have to do over and over. Start getting consistent. Start doing it over and over every day. Get into the habit. Build a track record. A track record is more important than anything. You know the saying in school, they used to say, if you get a diploma, nobody can take that away from you. That's because nobody wants to take that away from you. But this skill, nobody can take this away from you. Building a track record is more valuable than the actual money you make. So start doing this right away. Start practicing on demo. Just start doing this right away. Practice live. Get a hang of it. And we'll talk to you soon. We're always here for 24/7 support. You can contact us at any time. And now you can see how smoothly gold moved on the range bars here for that trade. And we'll leave it at that. See you soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.
Oh, no, no, no. Not again. It's all gone.